If you cook for a group or just like having plenty of volume for a big camp meal, a 3-liter pot is fantastic, but packing a traditional 3-liter pot is a nightmare. That is exactly the problem that the GSI Escape HS solves. It gives you impressive capacity, but packs down to just over 2 inches thick. Compared to a standard metal pot, the space savings and your loadout are undeniable, but the real question is whether a silicone pot can actually perform on a camp stove. The secret is this hard-anodized aluminum base. It acts as a heat sink which distributes the flame efficiently and protects the silicone walls above it. The build quality feels incredibly rigid when expanded. The locking handles snap securely into place, keeping the lid battened down during transport. At roughly 24 ounces, it is a solid piece of gear, but the packability easily offsets the weight. GSI also built in some smart details, like these silicone thumb pads and an integrated strainer in the lid, which makes draining pasta or veggies effortless. To test the heat distribution, Waffle and I are whipping up a massive batch of backcountry couscous with salmon. This is the most critical part of using this pot. You must keep the flame strictly underneath the metal base. If the flame wraps up the sides, you will melt the silicone. The heatsink base brings 3 cups of water to a rolling boil incredibly fast on my stove, and there is plenty of room left in this 3-liter capacity. We drop in the couscous, lower the heat, lock the lid, and let it simmer. No excessive simmering was required, and the heatsink prevents any hot spots or scorching on the bottom. It easily handles enough volume to feed you and your trail buddy with zero hassle. Cleanup is incredibly fast because of the non-stick nature of the silicone, and it packs away just as easily as it sets up.
For my final thoughts, this is a great piece of equipment. It smashes down really small. It's lightweight, so it's a big space and weight saver. A couple nitpicks against it. You just have to be careful with your stove. If it's got a wide flame that's uncontrollable and it's going to go up the side, you'll definitely melt the silicone. So be careful with that. When I got mine, the pot lid it has this ridge ring around it. It's semi-flexible, but it didn't quite fit, so I had to kind of smush it and bend it. So it goes together now, but it's not 100%. It's like 85-90%. So if you're hyper-focused on your fuel efficiency, that may be an issue for you. And finally, this is only going to really work if you are boiling, simmering, cooking water, that kind of stuff. If you're trying to like lay down some bacon in this thing on the bottom, the type of no stick it is just not going to work that great. So overall, impressed, love this. You got to know its purpose is. This is going to be for your group when you're going to boil and simmer and make things like spaghetti, ramen, delicious, and backpacker style foods like that. So I hope you like the product as much as I do. And make sure to check it out here on this link.